This is a 1990 Saab 900. The wiring here broke off, and therefore the right arm of the vehicle was not working, but the left arm was working. What I did is I removed the air conditioning compressor. I disconnected right here. I also disconnected the heater hose in order to have access to remove the windshield wiper arm and motor. They're connected. So what I did, I disconnected right here. I disconnected this wire right here. And then I removed the actual motor from here, unscrewing 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, all the way back in there. The third one is right here, and one that goes on this piece, that connects this piece to the bracket right here. And let me demonstrate in the one that I removed. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then the motor is attached to this piece right here. It goes like this right here, and you just put it right in here. So once I disconnected it, I was able to remove the wiper motor. You got to remove these right here. You got to remove these, and the way you do that is by pulling this up, lifting this, and unscrewing that and removing these covers here. Do that for both. Once you do that, then you're able to wiggle it out from here. Be careful, because it's kind of tough where these pieces right here will try to scratch the vehicle, and you don't want to have rust in the vehicle. So what you do is you remove these, and then once you do that, especially by removing the AC compressor, you should definitely have access. I did not disconnect anything else besides the AC compressor, the top heater hose. You could remove the bottom one. And the way to remove the AC compressor is by removing 4 bolts. 1, 2, and then 2 more down in here. 1 and 2. And it's a 17, number 17 that will help you do that. And I also disconnected right here the AC hoses right here. There's a bolt, this bolt here, right in between these two. I disconnected that, pulled this off just so I could have more room and more leverage. I sure hope this helps. I wish I had remembered to do it while I was actually performing the service here. But again, just remove the AC compressor, actually remove the motor by unbolting 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one right here, and then removing the arms, and you should be able to do it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.